Hey there guys, today let's talk about our super cool color presets pack. The main thing about this pack, of course, is that it makes your footage look tremendously cool. It gets me every time how just by using the right color preset you can completely change the mood, the motion and even the very message of the scene in just a few seconds. So buckle up! Today I will show you how to install our free Studio app, tell you about the free version of our product, and of course we'll also go over how to utilize the color presets package in your workflow. All products in this video are designed and brought to you by our company StudioPlugins. We have already created more than 10 super helpful plugin packages for filmmakers, motion designers and basically anyone who uses Premiere Pro and After Effects for video editing. All presets are divided into 8 categories, which makes a total of 400 professional color presets for you to choose from. Let's take a quick look. We got black and white, chromatic, cinematic, fashion, Hollywood, stylish, travel and vintage. Awesome, right? And just like all our products, this preset package gets built inside your Premiere Pro, which make it super easy for you to apply any color preset just with a single click. So, if you are new to our product and not ready to commit yet, we've got good news. This package also has a free version. It contains 24 color presets you can easily try on in your project. And it's not a trial version or something. It's always available on our website as a free plan. To use it, you don't even need to link your credit card or anything. We just ask you to complete 30-second registration and you can use it for free forever. Okay, now let's install our free Studio app together to take a look at how it works. Well, the installation process is actually quite ordinary. Step 1. All you need to do is click here on Studio app, then choose your system, Mac or Windows, and then go to Download. I'm using Windows, but if you are a Mac person, just click here to see how to install it on Mac. Step 2. Register if you haven't done so yet. Type in your name and email. Then create a password or simply sign in with your Facebook or Google account. Step 3. Once you finish the registration, go back to the exe file you just downloaded. You can find it over here or in your downloads folder. Click on it and agree to everything. You can also create a desktop shortcut for easier access in the future. Then press Next, Install, and finish. Congrats! The hardest part is over. Now just click the login button in our app. It's gonna open your browser where you will be authorized. Alright, now you can go back to Studio app and finally dig into the good stuff we have here for you. What you see here is a full set of our plugin packs for Premiere Pro and After Effects. To use our free color preset pack, click here and wait for a short moment. Okay, we are all done with the app. Now you can open your project in Premiere. First, and it's very important guys, go to Edit, Preferences, Control Surface to make sure you have Premiere Studio in this window. In case you don't have it here, just click Add button and find it in the pop-up menu. After that, go to Window, Extensions, Premiere Studio. And just like that, you'll have all our free products right here in one window, always up to date. They will update automatically, so you don't have to worry about downloading new versions ever again. It's as easy as it gets. Just drag and drop this window anywhere around your workspace, here or here. I usually just put it here in a separate panel. Now go to Color Presets, choose any, and just click Add. Voila! Now you can see it in your project. Magic, right? And once again, all you can see here is available for you for free. Not only color presets pack, but also pack of graphic and effects, text presets, transitions, and sound effects. All this quality stuff to make working on your next project easy and fun. If you have already purchased the Premiere Pro version from our website, you don't have to install any other apps. Just stay logged in the main one. From now on, all plugins will be available for you inside the app. Just pick the ones you'd like to use and install them from here. Once you've purchased one of our plans or just bought a color preset pack, your Studio app is gonna look like this. And all you have to do is just click Install here, wait a bit, and go to Premiere Pro. If it is the first time you open Premiere Pro after downloading Studio app, go ahead and check this setting: Edit, Preferences, Control Surface, and make sure you have Premiere Studio in this window. If not, click the Add button and find it in the pop-up menu. Once you've done that, everything is going to work perfectly. No bugs, no lags. You don't have to do it every time you run Premiere Pro, just this once. Okay, now let's check how to use our color presets. First, choose any effect you want to try. This one. Second, click Add button. Bam! That's it. Now you can see the adjustment layer over here and the effect itself, which is now applied to the video below it. And if you want to change any of the settings for this track, just go to Effect Controls. Here you can very easily adjust saturation, exposure, temperature, and so on. To compare your footage with or without this adjustment, you can use this I button. Also, if you want the effect to be applied only to this particular clip, for example, you can just cut it or shrink it like this. So you can see that now you no longer have this effect here. If you want to add a different effect to this clip, just do the same thing. Put your playhead here, add an effect, add, and get rid of the part you don't need, like this. You can make previews bigger or smaller with this little slider. Don't pay any attention to autoplay thingy, you don't need it here. You can start the effects that you like and unstar them once you don't need them anymore. Click on the star near the search bar to see all starred items. Okay, let's wrap it up. Today I've shown you our awesome color presets pack by StudioPlugins, and I really hope you guys will find it useful. It's easy to install, easy to use and adjust. You can start with a free version or go ahead and get a subscription, which also includes our other products for Premiere Pro and After Effects. We have a monthly subscription and annual plan, which is insanely cheaper, by the way. Or you can buy a lifetime license just for color presets if you only need this pack. You can find all the links in the description below the video. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and click the bell if you always want to stay up to date with our latest videos. Your support is really important to us. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I need to go.